talks about you, you are nobody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Minnie and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made the Liberian puff puff, and we the Liberian people call it pepper kala. Pepper kala.
If nobody chew in your
So
bones,
for my puff puff, I usually use 3 cups of flour, but today I'm gonna be using only 2 cups.
more than you know yourself. Yeah. Then we talk, just to bring you down. Then we spread on your bad news, more than they spread your good news. Everybody wants to go to heaven, but no one wants to die. Oh,
And since I am making only 2 cups of flour for the puff puff, I'm going to be using 1 cup of sugar. So I'm going to be adding 1 pack of yeast. So you're gonna add a little bit nutmeg, but for me I like the smell, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm also gonna add 1 spoon of salt.
Just to make it spicy. I know you like the cheese and you like the fries too. The fries. Sugar in the tea, cocoa in the coffee, anything you want to say.
So we almost there. So this part you're gonna mix everything together before you start adding water little by little. You don't want your puff puff too thick or watery.
Sugar in the tea, cocoa in the coffee, anything you want to say. They can talk about Jesus Christ. They can talk about Moses. They can talk about Abraham. Who they can talk about you? Tell me. See, and I had to explain it. And I had to just say.
Continue stirring until you don't see no more air bubbles.
And I had to explain it. And I had to justify. And I had to convince you. Please believe it.
So after mixing everything together, if you don't see no more air bubbles, you're gonna cover it up with a clean plastic and can add another cloth over it and then put it in a warm place for 40 to 45 minutes.
And I had to justify. And I had to convince you. Please believe it.
I'm about to start frying my puff puff. Make sure to use enough oil and let the oil be hot. You can also test the oil by using a little bit of the flour.
If nobody chew in your bone, you are nobody. They will know everything about you, more than you know yourself. Yeah. They will talk, just to bring you down. Yeah. They will spread on your bad news, more than they spread your good news. Everybody wants to go to heaven, but no one wants to die. Oh, see, let them do the talking again. See, I will do the bluffing, yeah, yeah.
You want to fry your puff puff until you see golden brown or brown.
If you like it, you can eye your own there, just to make it juicy. Juicy. Yeah. If you like, you can pour your own there, just to make it spicy. Spicy. Yeah. I know you like the cheese, and you like the fries too. The fries too. Sugar in the tea, cocoa in the coffee, anything you want to say.
I'm gonna be using 2 sweet peppers, 2 onions, and 1 pack of hot Jamaican pepper for the pepper sauce.
Please believe it, believe it, believe it, believe it, believe it. Anything they say about me, please believe it, believe it. If nobody talks about you, you are nobody, nobody. If no
So after blending the onions and the pepper together, you're gonna pour a little bit of oil in a frying pan or pot or whatever you're gonna be using, and put the pepper and the onion in a hot oil and let it fry.
talks about you, you are nobody, nobody. If nobody chewing your bone, you are nobody, nobody. They will know everything about you more than you know yourself. Yeah. They will talk, they will talk, they will talk, just to bring you down. Yeah. They will spread all your bad news more than they spread your good news. Everybody wants to go to heaven, but no one wants to die. Oh, see, let them do the talking again. See, I will do the bluffing, yeah, yeah. Bluffing, yeah, yeah. Anything they say about me, please believe it. Believe it.
So after adding all your ingredients there, you're gonna let it boil or fry until it dry, and make sure to stir it often because you don't want it to burn.
Anything they say about me, please believe it. Believe it. If nobody talks about you, you are nobody. Nobody. If nobody chooses.
So my hot pepper is ready for my puff puff, and this is how it should look like after cooking.
D12 on the beat.